Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla and I'm back with another video. It's actually been a while since I last sat down and talked to you guys. I don't remember when the last time was. Maybe it was my Shein video or something. But before that, I'm trying to do this type of content because I've been wanting for a very long time to actually film a get ready with me and answer some of the questions, you know, those this, that, whatnot. The other reason why we're doing this right now is because of the fact that I was supposed to post a Singapore vlog. I was in the middle of exporting all of my videos. I accidentally deleted all of the raw files, so we don't have anything to post. That's why we're doing this. So I'm just gonna be doing an everyday makeup routine, which I also kind of like use whenever I go out already. I just add, it just differs whenever I put like an eye, what do you call this? A waterline, whatever, I think. Yeah, that's what we'll be doing right now, and let's hop into it. I look crusty. It's actually kind of dark right now. Let me put you guys on this. Okay, yeah, this is better. Okay, let's go start with the video, shall we? I listed down all of the questions that you guys asked me on that post, and it's actually very random. Before I start my whole makeup routine, I want to start with this Clear Fit Heart Leaf Cream. It's actually, I posted this in one of my vlogs. I use it to moisturize my skin and prep my face before I put on my, before I put on products on my face. So the first question is, how old are you? I'm actually 26 years old. I'm turning 27 in a few months. Not to state the obvious, I'm actually getting old. But anyway, I'm gonna be applying Rare Beauty. This is a foundation. I use it for my concealer at this point because it's a shade lighter. But anyway, if anyone is curious, this is Rare Beauty foundation in the shade of 210N. I just put this here, and now this is my normal concealer. It's from Maybelline Fit Me, but this is in the shade 30. Put them here, and here. Since it's my everyday makeup, I don't really put foundation. I just don't like the feeling of it being on my face the whole day. Let's go answer the next question. What do I do? I feel like I should answer the next question as well because it's related. The third question is, why do I travel a lot? So I work for a family business, and our family business is a travel agency. And that's the reason why I travel so much. I escort groups that book with us. I do oculars. I actually pretty much travel for work. I travel so much because, like I said, it's our family business. It's been around the industry for a while now. I'm very grateful for the fact that I get to travel because it's just so hard. How do people actually do a get ready with me while they talk about whatever? Next question, what got me started vlogging? So what got me started vlogging? Actually, it's really a push from my friends to, start vlogging, posting it, because anybody who is near me or close to me knows that I actually love taking videos or taking pictures of a lot of things, especially whenever I'm out with my friends or special event, an occasion, whatnot. I love taking videos. Even if I don't post it, I just love taking videos and pictures of it just for the memories or just for the memes. And yeah, that's what started me vlogging. It's such a waste if I actually don't use it. After that, put on this baking thingy just so the makeup won't move. Oh, by the way, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus. It's in the shade of, this is also not in my shade, the shade of 520B. Put this under my eye like this.
Yeah, I put some here. Put it on like my T-zone where I normally get really oily.
Anyway, the next question is, while we're putting this, is, what's a typical day for you? My day is literally boring, honestly. I go to work. I normally gym in the morning, but then things have changed, so I had to adjust my schedule, and now I gym in the afternoon around 2 to 4 p.m. and then I go home. That's pretty much what I do basically every day. I sleep really early, guys. I am a Lola. My friends actually do have a hard time making me go out. Anyway, 5 makeup or skincare. Okay, let's do the skincare. I always bring when I travel. Bring this, then I also bring this vitamin C ampule from Pretty Skin. There's hair, sorry. And then this Clear Fit Heart Leaf Cream. Bath and Body Works, it's a lip scrub. Wait, how many is that? 4. Also have this, it's a facial cleanser. It's from Celatech, and it actually really removes your makeup after one wash. So you guys should get that. When do I gym? Before, when I wasn't that busy, I tried to... Coco, stop it. Sit. Anyway, so go my dog, guys. So now that's done. I tried to gym 5 times a week before, but now with the schedule I try to do 4, and then now I'm becoming even busier, so now I try to gym thrice a week. Wait, the next question was actually a workout split, so let me just answer that quickly. I do upper body on Monday, Wednesday, back and bi, and then chest, shoulders, and triceps. And then on Fridays or Thursdays, I do my leg day. Let's put our blush. But oh wait, if you guys can see, this has been my favorite blush. It's actually the Dreamer Champagne Cocoa Multi Palette Face, Eyes, and Lips. And as you can see, the blush has been worn out, used so many times, because I love the shade of this. So I don't know if you guys can still get this from BLK Cosmetics. It's a local brand. And then I use Fenty Beauty concealer. It's in the shade of Mocha. 5 artists that I listen normally whenever I go to the gym is Tyla, Gunna, Kendrick Lamar, Drake, and I would say Bad Bunny. But really, I listen to a lot of like Spanish or Latino artists. You just really get hyped up when you listen to them. So it really depends, guys, on what my mood is for the day. Oh, how could I forget about Ira, my girl, Ira Star. We're pretty much done with our makeup. Next, someone asked me what is my advice to people who have been having troubles with meeting up with friends or giving other people time. I feel like it's really hard to adjust whenever you're an adult at this point, because you guys just really have your own thing going on. In my own personal experiences, I only have like a very small circle of friends. Before, we used to talk about everything, but now that we've gotten older and we have more important things, it's just really hard now to give the time that you want to use for yourself to others, because after a long day at work, you just want to relax at this point, and sometimes you really just won't have any time to give anymore, and that's fine. I feel like people need to normalize the fact that people won't always have the energy or the time to talk to you or spend time with you as a friend, just because they just have their own thing going on, you know? And that doesn't mean that they don't want to be friends with you anymore. It doesn't mean that they don't care about you. It's just that they really just have other things to prioritize at this point. And yeah, that's pretty much it, honestly. But anyway, I'm pretty much done with my makeup. I am just gonna apply my lip liner. Oh, by the way, this is another thing that I always bring, but this isn't skincare, obviously. This is my go-to lip combo recently. It's the Soul Matte Filling Gel Lip Liner in the shade of Whipped from Morphe or Morph. And then I use this lip gloss. It's the Gloss Bomb Heat from Fenty Glow. Let's get into my hair. Can you please go down first? Let's curl my hair. Let me sometimes I straighten her. But anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much what I do on my everyday routine. My makeup routine. I hope you guys liked it, and if you guys liked this, let me know in the comments and subscribe. Bye.